level. Is that easier?
No, that's fine. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay. We're now standing in front of the famous $1 Million staircase, which got its name because the newspaper reporters got a hold of the price that it cost while it was being built. But actually, by the time it was completed 13 years later, it would end up costing $1.5 million. This staircase is also known as the Great Western Staircase, and it was patterned after the Grand Staircase in the Paris Opera House. In my introduction, I mentioned where we went through 4 different architects, each one bringing their own style to the building. Therefore, the state capitol has a blending of styles. We have Victorian Gothic, Italian Renaissance, Moorish, and Romanesque. Well, the original plans...
Tape is still rolling.
Okay. I'd like to welcome you to the Assembly Chamber. This is one of 2 rooms where all the laws of New York State are made. Try, if you will, to picture this room when it first opened, when Theodore Roosevelt was an assemblyman here, because it was one of the most spectacular rooms in the country. That is because the ceiling that you see up above went an additional 20 feet higher. This was an engineering feat of its time, having the largest stone arch ever attempted. But unfortunately, only 10 years went by before the stones started to fall down into the assembly chamber. They would have to replace it, and when they did that, they would have to drop the ceiling by 20 feet. There were 2